Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I am going to be unboxing Tire Wet Foam from Black Magic. Black Magic is the brand. Tire Wet Foam is the soap, the tire cleaner or whatever. This tire cleaner right here. Basically, what it does is it shines the outside of the tire, along with the part of the tire above and side by side, left, right, bottom, beneath the rim or factory hubcap, whatever you got. But what it does, it shines up the wheel, cleans the wheel, but it gives a lot of a glitter and sort of like a shine. Well, actually, a very very bright shine. Um, to me, 1 to 5, I would say that is 5 because I spray this stuff right here, and you see the tire right here. That part right there, I'm gonna spray, and I spray all around it, and it's good for about like 3 weeks. I don't even have to spray it next week if I don't want to. If I maybe just like a tidbit or whatever of it, that was the rear tire. This is the front tire right here. As you can see, it's still some on there or whatever. So let's get into it, and I will be mentioning where you can get it from, or the price and the rate of it or whatever after the video. So let's get into it. See, it comes out like shaving cream, and you just spray around the tire. You spray inside of the tire too, because, well, I actually spray inside of the tire because just because you spray on the outside of the tire, that doesn't mean that the whole tire is actually shined up, actually getting sprayed or actually getting cleansed. You know what I'm saying? Because part of the tire can be actually sprayed on the outside, the lip of it or whatever, outside of the rim. But if you spray like if you don't spray on top of the tire, then your tire is going to be faded and it's going to be dull and stuff like that. So I like to spray the whole entire tire on the inside and the outside. And usually I give it about a couple of minutes. Make another video.